Fox best friend, Yoshi here, has brought along Sherena. Sherena.
Yes.
Guinea pig.
So Sherena is our Mountain America Credit Union Pet of the Week, and Sherena is a 1-year-old, 1-pound guinea pig. Now, Sherena actually has 2 other siblings.
Okay.
And something that I learned today is guinea pigs and rabbits tend to build a really strong bond if they're with one another for quite some time. Okay. So we're requiring that whoever adopts Sherena also needs to adopt the other 2 siblings because it's very difficult when they get separated.
Okay.
So it'll be a pack of 3. Yes, we're going to keep them together, exactly. Mm-hmm. And, you know, it's a very modest investment, only $25 for all 3 of them.
Great deal.
Yes, and guinea pigs, you know, typically will live anywhere from about 4 to 8 years. And what's interesting is they're social animals, so they do appreciate daily affection.
Like
so similar to, yes, yeah. So like with your dog, you would pet your dog every day. Same thing with the guinea pig. They're going to want to be pet and have some attention every single day as well. So
Sherena, part of well, 3 total.
3, yes.
To go along. So
exactly.
If you're interested,
yeah.
You got all the information right there. Humane Society of Utah. If you're interested, go check it out. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
So quiet.